Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to add a hyperlink right here in InDesign. A hyperlink is basically a link that you can click and it's going to take you to the website inside from a document, right? So all you have to do is select your text tool, and you're basically going to write your texts, or you write the link. So I'm going to start with this Pinterest. I'm just going to write pinterest.com. Right, so I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. So pinterest.com. All right, so I'll select the entire thing. I'll go to type, and then I'll go to hyperlinks and cross references, and then I'll go to new hyperlink. All right, so once you click on this, the first thing you see is link to. So there are different things you can link it to, but we're going to select URL because this is a link. Then automatically they are going to just write the full website. All right, and then the next thing, you can change the character style, but for me I just leave hyperlink, and then PDF appearance I don't touch it, I leave it the way it is, and then I click on OK. And if you come, you're going to see that it is now blue. It was black before, but now it is blue. Okay, then that's one. So I'm going to show you another one. So I want to select the text to draw this. Then this time around I'm going to select an email address. So I'm going to paste the email address, and then I'll copy it. Then we'll go to type again, go to hyperlinks, and then we'll go to new hyperlink, but this time around we'll change it to email. Right, I've changed it to an email and click on OK. Now we have email. It's as simple as that. Then the last one is if you want to write a text, but the text is not the link, so you can write portfolio here. All right, so select portfolio here. All right, that is not a link, but we can make it a hyperlink. Go to type, hyperlinks, new hyperlink, change it to URL. Then we'll go and copy the actual link, which is this is my portfolio link. Copy it, and then we'll paste the URL there, then click on OK. All right, so the link is not showing here, but if you click on it, it's going to show. So we're going to export it, and make sure you save it as an interactive PDF. Right, so name it hyperlink test. I'm just going to overwrite that one. I'll replace it, yes, and I think I'll save it as pages, and it does not even matter. I'll just click on export, and it's going to open once it has exported. All right, so this is the PDF that we created. It has exported. So if I click on this first link, it's going to take me to Pinterest. Can you look at that? Let me go back to the PDF. I'll click on this third one, portfolio here. Let's see. Okay, it has opened up my portfolio. Right, this email one is also meant to work. I don't have an email app, so they are trying to use my Chrome website, but it's not working. So, but as you can see, the Pinterest and my portfolio opened up, right? So that's how to create a hyperlink. And yeah, I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching.